soggy. Very wet, soft, and unpleasant because it has absorbed too much water or liquid. He came home with completely soggy shoes. The rice is too soggy. I added too much water. The ground is still soggy after last night's rain. Raw. Something that is not cooked, not processed, or in natural form. The potatoes are still raw. Cook them a little longer. He ate raw fish at the Japanese restaurant. Ripe. Fully grown and ready to eat, used for fruits, vegetables, etc. These mangoes are ripe, juicy, and full of flavor. These bananas will be ripe by tomorrow morning. Unripe. Not fully grown or ready to eat, used for fruits, vegetables, etc. The melon is unripe, so it won't taste very sweet. The apples are still unripe, so don't eat them. Whiff. A quick, light smell of something, often brief and not strong. I caught a whiff of fresh coffee when I walked in. He took one whiff and said the food had spoiled. Open the window, there is a whiff of gas in here. Stench. A very strong, unpleasant smell. There is a stench coming from the garbage bin. He covered his nose due to strong stench. Rancid. Food, especially oil, butter, fat or meat, that has gone bad and smells or tastes unpleasant. This oil is rancid. Don't use it anymore. The butter in the fridge is rancid. It smells bad. I think this chicken has gone rancid already. Greasy. Covered with or containing a lot of oil or fat. These fries are greasy, but they are so good. This burger is delicious, but a little greasy. Stale. Something that is no longer fresh and has lost its original quality, especially food or air. This bread is stale, so don't eat it. The chips are stale and not crunchy anymore. Rotten. Something that is decayed, spoiled, or has gone bad, usually food. This banana is rotten, throw it in the trash. The chicken was rotten, so we didn't cook it. Putrid. Something that is decayed, rotten, and has a very bad smell. It is often used for food, dead things, or waste that has gone bad. Don't eat that yogurt because it looks putrid and expired. Open the windows, this putrid smell is unbearable. We covered our noses because the smell was so putrid. Bitter. Having a sharp, unpleasant taste, like black coffee or some medicines. This pill is bitter, so swallow it quickly. This coffee is way too bitter. Can you add some milk? Fizzy. Containing lots of bubbles or gas, like soda or sparkling water. Can you bring me a fizzy lemon soda, please? The drink was cold and fizzy, just how I like it. Delectable. Very delicious, extremely tasty and enjoyable to eat. This cake is absolutely delectable and worth every bite. That was one of the most delectable meals I have ever had. Pungent. Something that has a strong, sharp smell or taste, often unpleasant or very noticeable. The onions were so pungent that my eyes started watering. I noticed a pungent smell as soon as I walked into the room.